a bad idea, Classy, to go on this airplane. Ah! Crap. We should be like on a stage doing the fusion. I don't know why, but I hate that. I wonder what we're gonna turn into. Whoa! Crap. I don't like this video. Cause you pooped your pants, dude. You pooped your pants. Sorry. That's when I'm nervous. Okay. You get out of here. Ah! Okay, that was kind of good. But I don't know if Classy's son is coming back. Uh-oh. Mission abort. Mission abort. Go! Parachute! Ah! It looks like I was alive after all. In your face, you mortal! Bah! Okay, this is the end for this show. Bye-bye.
Bye.